Welcome to the MS and Python YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about list comprehension and dictionary comprehension. These are the most important concepts in Python basics. Okay. So generally, list comprehension we can use to create a list with concise way. Okay. So here the general syntax for the list is list comprehension. So we can create the list and we can alter the list, transform the list of items based on the requirement with concise way. Okay. So here the general syntax for the list is so we can have a square brackets inside that we can write the statements. Here is it is the expression, and we can use the for loop with variable it may be. Okay. And here we can use any sequence of data type in a sense like string, list, tuple, dictionary, set, anything we can use here as a sequence of data type. For example, where we are going to use this one, when we are going to use this one means to alter the values, to alter the any numbers from the list. At the time we can use this one. Let's say I have a list like this, and I want to get all the squares of these numbers. How I can use this means squares. So here, as per the syntax, this is the expression. So here we can provide any expression. So what is the need of our expression now? Squares of numbers. So I can iterate over the for loop and use this one like this. This is the single line and the simple way to create a list based on the requirement, based on the expressions. But this is my expression to create the squares of all these numbers. Okay, let's print squares of list. Okay, we'll see. You will see the output. Here we can see the output 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So this list comprehension, it is quite similar to for I in L print I to I. In the same manner, we have created a list comprehension. It is quite similar to the same. Okay. If I run this one also, we can see the same output. Okay, but it is in a normal. If I append it to any list, it will be also in a list. Okay. Now, not only this single statement, simple statement, we can use conditions as well. Okay. Let's say from this list, I want to get only squares of even numbers. Okay. How we can create the even number? How we can check the even number? Even number means it is divisible by 2 itself. Okay. Let's get even squares. Expression I into I for I in L. The condition is if I is even number, then only it will return the value. Okay. If I print this even squares, what will be there? 2, 4 square numbers are there. 2 square, 4 square. Okay. Let's see. See, it is the 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16. So this is the way we can use if conditions. Okay. Even we can use if else blocks also, and even we can use the nested for loops. So nested for loops means list for loop inside for loop. So let's say I have a list L2. It is having list inside list, nested list. Like this. So I want to flatten this list. My requirement output is like this. This is my required output. How we can do that? So it is very important, guys. Even in point of interview also, there might be a chance to ask this question. Okay. So how we can use list comprehension here means we can use the nested for loops in list comprehension also. Okay. Let's say track list. Here the expression. Okay. Let's say my expression is going to be written for I in L2 So what it will do, it will take L2 list here. So first time I will be 1 comma 2. That 1 comma 2 I am going to iterate again in nested for loop for j in I. Okay, so here this is the inner for loop for j in I. So I value first time will be 1 comma 2. That I am iterating in the j, it will return j 1 in second time 2, like that. Okay, so it will return the output flattened list. Okay, let's print this one. Okay, let's run. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Guys, this is quite similar to how we can use the normal for loop, nested for loop for I in L2 for j in I, like this. Print I. Okay, sorry, j, like this. It will print the all the values. You can see here it will printing 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is equal to this list comprehension, but here it will return the list. Here just we are printing in a for loop. If you want to store these values into a list, just we can take any temp list like plan list to empty list. Just we can append this value to the list. Plan list to dot append. So append method, what it will do, it will append the value at end of the list. So later you can print flat list 2. Okay, here you can see it will have the both do the same. Okay, now we can see the dictionary comprehension, how it will work. So dictionary comprehension also use it to create a dictionary in a concise way. Okay, so here the syntax for dictionary comprehension is, we can use the curly braces and it should be key value pair. How we have created the dictionary in the same manner, key value pair. Okay, key should be unique and value will be anything. Okay, so syntax like key, value, and any sequence. Up to you how we can use key value file. Key value here you can use either anything, it may be single or double. Even you can use any sequence, let's say in any sequence like this. Okay, now let's say very most important question for interview point of view. Let's say I have a string. Okay, MSN Python YouTube channel. So I want to find the number of occurrences of each character. In this sentence, we have M is once, S is once, P is 1, Y is 2 times, right? T is 2 times, like that. I want each character as a key, dictionary key, and count as a value. Okay. So the expected output should be something like this. In a dictionary, M occurs once, S occurs 1, like this. Okay, etc. So in a form of dictionary, how we can use dictionary comprehension? Let's say like this. So here key should be character, as I said. Okay, I colon the count number of occurrences of each character count is the value. So I can use the count method here to get the number of occurrence of each character. Now for I in str1, clear. Now this str1 is the string. First iteration I will become a M. So this I will be created a dictionary in the key and M count will be the value. Okay, in the first iteration, something like this. It is created a dictionary M1, like this. In the second iteration in the for loop, I will become a S. S will become another key, and number of occurrences will be the value, like this. it will continue until the last character of the string. Okay, so and it will return the desired output in the form of dictionary. If you guys can see the print output, you can see m one time, s is one time, n is four times, like this. It will give the desired output. Okay, now it is quite similar to how if I use the for loop, and okay, if I say d1, I have created an empty dictionary for I in str1. If d I not in d of I equals to I. Okay, something like this. It will be the count, right, digit. Else d of I equals to d of I plus 1, like this. So it will append the value to the dictionary. Okay, every time whenever it comes, it will append the value by iteration 1. Okay, like this we can use dictionary comprehension. Okay, here d1 we are using empty dictionary d1. Okay, clear? So this is the way we can use the dictionary comprehension and list comprehension. Here also we can use the conditions, based on conditions. So I want to get only vowels count. Vowels count. What is a vowel? A, I, O, U will be the vowels. From this string, I need to get only vowels. Then how we can use str1 dot count of I for I in str1 if I in A, I, O, U, like this. It will return only vowels count. Okay, if I print vowels, vowel count, you can see the only vowels count. Okay, let's run this one, we will understand. See, O is 2 times, U is 2 times, E is 2 times, A is 1 time. So these are the only vowels, we get the count. Okay, so this is the very important concepts for point of interview as well as in real time. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. In the next video we will come up with a new topic. Okay, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.